All right, welcome to this daily market analysis on gold. As I'm recording this, the Asian session coming from Tokyo has already ended. As you can see with these big 4-hour candles, the momentum is still towards the upside. Now, yesterday during the New York session, it was able to grab a really significant liquidity from around 28.95 levels. It looked as though gold was going down, but it then got bid back up again with release of some U.S. fundamental data that were really not up to the mark, and especially with all the rhetoric going around Trump administration's trade tariffs with Mexico, Canada, and the European Union, it looks as though the move for gold is still up. And I wouldn't really short this market at the moment unless we see some weakness and closure below 28.95 sort of levels. Um, Gold is really making interesting chart patterns as well. If you can see, it's trying to make this inverse head and shoulder sort of a pattern where it's trying to break above the right shoulder. And if it does that, we could well see a move towards 28, 29.50, and maybe even towards 3,000. Who knows? Many investment banks have actually revised their end of year target from 3,000 to 3,200. So I think there is still room for more upside on gold. The way we can enter is not that straightforward though, because it is at top of the range right now. I wouldn't really encourage you to go long here because then your stop loss would need to be really big compared to where you can take this market for the daily levels today. What I would do at this market is probably wait for some sort of retracement around these levels and look on the lower time frame with 30 minutes, 15 and 5 minutes to see some entry opportunities where you could enter here, maybe with a stop loss around 29.10, and then try to take this market up again during the London and New York session. So it really depends on how the pre-London opens and what sort of candles we see towards these 29.15 area, for us to find entries. But anything like this, or if it tries to come down again or retest these 2900 levels, then we could go up towards or take a trade from these levels as well with your stop loss below the daily wick from yesterday of around 28.93.94, and try to play this range to go up. So we will take profits along the way as it reaches 29.15 to take it to 29.30, and then maybe again to 29.50. So I think in summary, the move is still up. I wouldn't really want to short it at the moment, unless I see really big weakness, and candle closures below 28.95. Look for some bullish candles during the London session and New York session, and we can take it upwards again. Thanks.